Hi everyone, this is Leon from Guidance with Purpose. So I'm doing this short video just to show you what our old soil looks like, okay? Old soil as in using our sand mixture. So all this soil here that you see is basically about 1 to 2 years old. And even though it's 1 to 2 years old, you can see I can just easily stick my hand into it. It's very porous, it's very easy. And what my task is basically I need to remove all this old soil here and fix a little crack here in our planter and then put it back. So usually if you use like the regular potting soil that people teach you or some other kind, some even use mud, after quite a while it's going to be very hard. It's very hard to remove all this soil. That's why they have to always plow the fields in those farms. But if you use sand mixture, it's going to be very easy. Scooping up the soil is really a breeze with the sand mixture. Okay, it's so porous, and because it is porous, it allows a lot of water and airflow to go through the soil, and therefore you're going to have healthy roots. So with healthy roots, you're going to have healthy plants. So I hope all of you will use the sand mixture. Which is in our ebook. If you have not read our ebook, please visit sow.com.sg and you can download it for free. Okay, so I hope this short video is informative for you, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. So take care everyone, and goodbye.